If you're 3D printing, you have for sure a lot of spools. But what to do with those spools? Let me show you what I designed. So I went to Fusion and I designed this thing. It's a simple idea, basically, but I cannot guarantee you that this will last for a very long time. If you want it to last, I highly recommend using 100% infill. If not, use a thicker walls, like 2mm walls, and top and bottom layers too. Make like 2mm, and it should last, should not break, because it will probably not break as long as you don't put heavy things, but it may start bending. I have seen that with PLA, that it will start bending, especially if it's in a heated room. It will bend. But we're gonna see, we're gonna experiment and we'll see. But basically the idea is pretty simple. So basically you put your spool, and the good thing with this one is that it can spin. So you can put your model, or we're gonna talk later about what else can you do, and it spins. But I am an adventurous person, so let me show you what else I did. Here you're gonna have a 5mm slat that you can put. I got those pearls that you're gonna basically do like act like a bearing. It will not work with this spool just because it has holes, so the marbles will go in, but for something that's close like this one, it works. Yeah, it makes a little bit noise, but it works. It's not neat, you don't need to put it. It spins without the marbles, it spins, as you can see here, just fine. But it's there if you want it. If you want to put something really heavy and you want to have that freedom, why not? You have the marbles. Just an idea. So let's attach them to the wall, and we're gonna talk what else can we put in these spools. And of course you can paint this one and make it unique, or there are some black spools, there are some colorful spools, but yeah, you can even put the stickers on it. There. Yep, and there is our display. Like I said, more weight you're gonna put on them, they probably all break or bend. Let's attach the other one. Mario here is pretty heavy. I just put it just to see he spins, but for these two brackets I use 1mm walls and 0.8mm top and bottom layers, so they are not strong. They only one for experiment to see if they will fit. I mean, for something like that, like Baby Yoda and this K-Track, this is perfect. This will, I don't know if it will bend, it doesn't even bend now. But for Mario that's heavier, for sure this will bend. So I highly recommend using much more thicker walls and much more thicker top and bottom layer if you want this to last. But yeah, I am really impressed. For sure there's something like that outside already, but this is my design. And they will be available for free on my thanks page, so go and check them out. And let's talk what else you can do with them. You can always, like, you can drill holes and put your drill bits. Just make like I'm not gonna do attachments yet because every spool will have a different probably diameters or different things here, so I just don't want it yet. I'm gonna slowly make some attachment maybe in the future, but not for a moment. But let me give you an idea what you can do. You can put your screwdrivers here too. You can make holes and make 2D print base underneath that the screwdrivers just slots in. You can put your drill bits, so you can just spin it and take whatever drill bit you want. You can make it as storage. There is a lot of files already available that you can make them as storage. And the other thing you can do is, this isn't a Hot Wheels, this is Majorette, but you can make it as a Hot Wheels display. And you can spin it. Of course you have to make that all, I'm not gonna say to you glue the Hot Wheels to the base, but you can always make like small attachments so the Hot Wheels can sit, so the Hot Wheels will not fail. We can even position them like that, like in a garage. They will work better with the plexiglass or whatever the clear coat this one is. Those are, I'm not sure where did I get those things. Most of them come with a cardboard, but I know that there are some clears or black, whatever. So yeah, this will work very nice for Hot Wheels. You can make like a small diorama here and have your Hot Wheels all displayed into a nice display. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.